who wants to see a bit of magic? This is one of my current favourite moulds. Look at the sparkle in there. It's from IntoResin. I'll put you the link below as usual in case you want one. The resin I am using is Apex 1 coat. This stuff you can demould it in 2 hours. It's a bit cool in here today. I might leave it a bit longer to be on the safe side. However, this is where the extra magic comes in, because I'm sure you've seen the magic mould before. We're going to use one of these beautiful sparkling pigments from the Tiny Turner. I think I'm going to use the blue one. This one, I think. Oh, I don't know. I'll decide in a minute. Anyway, I want to see what happens when I back this with one of these fabulous powders. So, do you want to see? I do, because I haven't tried it before with this mould. Let's pour some in, and within a couple of hours we shall have our answers. Now, this little mould is handmade, and these faceted bits are just, honestly, I've never seen anything quite like this mould before. I'm going to make sure I get down right into all of the little nooks and crannies. It's mostly filled up. I'm going to give it a squish and a tap, but I'm not going to fill it right up, because what I want to do, let's squish it to get these bubbles out. What I really want to do is back it with this and then put a final coat on to seal it in. So I will see you in a couple of hours when this is cured up, and we'll do that last stage. Okay, so this is cured, it's just very slightly tacky. So we are going to put some of this on the back, and this is one of the Ethereal pigments from the Tiny Turner. So we're going to put plenty of this on the back. To be fair, you don't need much, this stuff goes an awfully long way. Going to get right round up the sides, really rub it in. There we are. So that's that. And now I'm going to get my gloves on, and we're just going to put a bit of black resin in here. Nice and simple. Let's go in with this. This is Epoxy again. But yeah, you could just colour this black and then pop your UV on top. Or you could put black alcohol ink on it, or whatever you fancy. So you could do it a lot quicker than this, but I've just realised it's getting quite late at night. I don't mind waiting, so this will be ready to demould in the morning. I have to say, this mould is the prettiest thing I think I've ever seen in terms of silicone moulds. Nice to know it's handmade as well, because we all love a handmade, don't we? That's why we're here. Oh, look at that, that surplus is coming up to the surface. Now, I could have just put a clear backing on it. Maybe we do that next. I kind of would like to experiment with this little mould a bit more. Don't forget, like I said, if you want one of these little moulds, I have got a discount code for you down below, and it's 20%, would you believe? So grab yourself your discount. You know you want to. Silly not to, wouldn't it? Right, okay, I'll see you in the morning. We'll see how this has gone. Right then. Yep, feels like it's cured. Just want to take this opportunity to say a special shout out to my channel members. Thank you so much for your support, and thank you to all of the people who have subscribed and watched this channel. I really appreciate you. Thank you so much. And thank you to IntoResin for producing these moulds and sending me one. That's a biggie. Now, I haven't tried this yet, so I don't know what's going to happen when I turn this over. Shall we see? Oh, nice. Yeah, that worked. You can see the chameleon going on in it. Well, I hope you can see it on camera. Yep, we're getting all the different colours. Isn't that lovely? You can see the sparkle. These aren't bubbles, that's sparkle in the back of the leaves. The petals, rather. Isn't it gorgeous? There we are then. Well, if you like this video, you know where the thumbs up button is, folks. Leave me some comments as well. What else would you like to see me try putting on the back of this little crystal mould? It is rather beautiful, isn't it? I mean, holographic film is definitely on the list. And you've seen glitter, you've seen colour, and you've seen it just clear. So what else would you like me to do? Let me know in the comments. And YouTube thinks you might want to watch this next. I'll see you for the next one. Bye.